some important items were made exempt from the value-added tax. I'm Tiffany Rodius. Let's talk tax. We'll begin in the education sector. School uniforms for the nursery, primary and secondary levels are now VAT exempted. However, they must be produced locally.
Back to school on Monday! Back to school!
Educational robot kits are also now exempt from VAT to boost reading and robotics across the country. That looks incredible. Farmers and manufacturers, listen up.
Give me your attention, baby.
Pesticides, along with equipment and chemicals for water treatment and production, are now exempted from VAT. If you have a defect or a disability and need orthopedic appliances, including crutches, surgical belts and trusses, splints and other fracture appliances, artificial parts of the body, hearing aids and other appliances worn or carried or implanted, then these are now VAT exempt. These qualify under tariff heading 9021 in the first schedule of the Customs Act.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Differently abled persons also benefit from VAT exemptions on vehicles designed for their use. The Commissioner General must, however, be satisfied that the requirements have been met.
High tech.
Also, to benefit from this exemption, the authority representing differently abled persons must certify that the person and the vehicle are eligible. Additionally, the vehicle cannot be leased, sold or transferred for 5 years from the date of registration. Still on driving, re-migrants and returning students can also benefit from VAT exemptions on vehicles in accordance with the provisions set out in Section 23 of the Customs Act, Chapter 8201.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding.
Turning to the waterways, if you purchase a boat for the transport of goods and persons, the boat is now VAT exempt. The boat must be used in rural and riverine areas and cannot exceed 7.08 cubic meters, that is 250 cubic feet, and must be proven to the satisfaction of the Commissioner General. Aircraft engines, main components and parts, as determined by the Commissioner, are also VAT exempt. You're watching TalkTax. We'll be back after these messages.
The Caribbean Organization of Tax Administrators, in collaboration with the Guyana Revenue Authority, proudly presents its 6th essay regional competition. If you're between the ages of 14 to 16 and love writing, then this is your chance to showcase your intellect and win amazing prizes at the national and regional levels. To participate, simply write an essay on the topic, Digitalization, Moving Today's Tax Administration Beyond the 21st Century, and submit it to the Senior Manager, Communications and Tax Advisory Services Division of the GRA. Essays must be submitted no later than Thursday, April 18, 2019. Terms and conditions apply. Check your daily newspapers and GRA's website for more information. GRA, your partner in development.
Welcome back. We're looking at VAT exempted items. These days, everyone is going green to save the environment. Now, machinery and equipment for utilizing alternative energy technology is also VAT exempt. These include renewable energy options such as gasifiers to use biomass and harnessing renewable energy through wind, solar and water as determined by the Commissioner. Remember, businesses charging VAT must clearly state if the price listed includes VAT. A business must also have their VAT certificate clearly displayed. If you want to review the full list of VAT exempt and zero rated supplies, go to our website www.gra.gov.gy. You can also give us a call on the numbers listed on screen.